Hiya, sorry to stop you. My name's Mark, I'm a portrait photographer. I just wonder if I can get your portrait for my social media. Is that cool, yeah? Okay, sure. Okay, cool, alright. Hi. It's just over here, actually. You're a legend, thanks very much. What's your name? Mark. Nice to meet you. This is John. Yeah, perfect. Just there, you can just be nice and natural, okay? Let's have a look. Okay. And then looking towards the camera for me. Perfect. Okay. Nice. And I'll just do a couple portrait, okay? That's it. Lovely. And then back to camera. Let's do one more close up actually. Cool. Thanks very much. Yeah, let me take down my social media. There you go. Some nice ones. Cool, right? Okay, it's Flynn Marco, F-L-Y-N-T, N-T, take out the A.
Well, actually, I can take a picture from
Yeah. John, you got your phone?
Where are you guys from?
It's from London. Yeah. I'm from Barnet, yeah. That's the thing. Take a picture of that. And then message me and I'll send you the pictures as well. Alright? Nice to meet you. Thank you.